Hello folks and welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot and today we'll be taking a hands-on approach with the S10. By the way, Dave, check the price on that for me. Well, the thing really does look good and feel good in the hand as well.
Yo, you better careful with that, man. You got enough money for it,
Really?
Yo, you could have buy a taxi and put on a road.
Well, let me put this up here, cause me not gonna pay for that. Yo, you know, say you don't like me. After you tell me the price for the S10, you actually carry the S10e over here and tell myself to do the two of them. Yo, I over $250,000 this, you know. Oh, the video I roll. Hello folks and welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot and today we're going to do a unboxing of the S10 and the S10e. And I put a poll on the channel and most of you guys seem to want to know about the S10 more than the S10e. And also the S10 Plus is missing, don't worry about it. We'll get our hands on that later when we go through the fear of handling things that expensive. So here we have it, the good old S10, the Galaxy, and this come with a free SD card. I wonder what size it is. It's a 2x memory, I don't know what that means. But you know what, let's just unbox this and see what you get in the box, and then we can discuss more about the price at a later date. So this is the real deal, folks, and this is the first time I think anybody in Jamaica unboxing this on YouTube. So let me see if yeah it is. See, it has some mumbo jumbo about 10 megapixel dual pixel and wide angle and super AMOLED and infinity display. Let's just get right to it. And here we have the device. Yeah, let me be careful with this. It feels pretty slim for the size screen where you get with it. And so the triple camera setup here, with one camera being a depth sensor, one with autofocus, and one with a wide angle selfie. But the thing just feels really good. Let me see what else we get in the box. We get an SD card? Well, it seems like the expensive stuff these days are come with more things. This is a 128 gig SD card. Huh, that's cool. All right, put that one side. You get your fast charger, and it's black because the phone black. You get your USB OTG cable, or dongle I should say, for transfer your files. And right here you have your USB Type-C cable, and it's black because again the phone is black. And this is a AKG headset. You know how them headset look already, and this one is black. And going back to the phone, yeah, this, I'm loving this black. Now I could have swear there is a a screen protector, a case somewhere. Where is that case though? Let me check something there. Hold on there. Pack up them tigger. So we actually found the case. It was inside the top of the cover. Now it is it's see-through, and it's actually a hard plastic. So nevertheless, it's really good that you actually get a case to actually help protect the S10 glass back. And to be honest, this is the first time I'm actually seeing a case in a high-end phone. I actually saw a comment that it came with the Note 9, but I didn't actually review the Note 9, so this still is a first for me. So let's go right into the phone. I'm just going to turn this on and see how the O, or the Infinity O display looks. I'm not going to put in any accounts or anything. This is just a quick unboxing. And if I made any mistakes throughout the video, just please note I'm holding a very expensive phone in my hand and I'm nervous as AF. Trust me, because I don't want to drop it. You know, no matter how much paycheck I get, I don't think I can pay for that phone here. So, excuse my nervousness, please. Okay, here it is, and the punch out up at the top don't really look that bad. I thought it would have looked bigger, but compared to the rest of the phone, and man, the bezels on this thing is thin. This is like really cutting it close. Man, if you drop this phone, you must have cracked the screen. But yeah, the bezels, even at the top, you can hardly see the earphone hole. This thing is mostly screen. Yes, it seemed like we actually reached it there, folks. This is like 97% screen apart from this whole punch out for the front facing camera. But damn, this really looks nice. Okay, just a few more minutes and we can probably go on my yard with my sanity. The S10e. Okay, this is the entry level to the S10 line. So if you can't afford the 10, you can probably afford the S10. Afford the S10e. Now, the yellow on this is pretty nice. And as you can see, it's not a triple camera setup at the back. It's actually 2 camera and your flash. So the wide angle camera is missing on the S10e. But this thing looks nice with the yellow and the goldish frames and the trimming. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling this. This kind of look better in person. It doesn't look cheap at all. Don't make nobody fool you. The S10e is not a cheap phone, and it doesn't feel like a cheap phone either. It's just a entry level with the wide angle camera missing. Everything else is at the back of this phone, and you still get your USB type C and your headphone jack at the bottom. It's really just a S10 without the wide angle, and it doesn't have the in-display fingerprint scanner. You get instead the side mounted fingerprint scanner. So let's look at the display for the S10e. Now, a lot of times people hear E or entry level and think it's a budget device. People no matter make that mistake with the S10e. It not priced as a budget device, and the specs are not a budget device. It's just an entry level to the S10 line. It's missing the curved sides and the thin bezels, but still, it's a S10. And there you have it. This thing looks decent. The whole punch out is roughly the same size that you will find on the S10. And the borders around this thing is, a bit thicker, and it doesn't have the curved edges you would find on the S10 or the S10 Plus, but they're not huge, they're not ugly, and definitely it's not a turn off like wait I see pan a notch. So in the S10e box, you get roughly the same thing. You get the 128 gig SD card, and you get your charger, the OTG cable, USB OTG cable, dongle I mean, and the headset. Everything in this box though is white. Yeah, so I'm guessing you're going to get different color accessories depending on the color phone you actually get. And yup, it definitely looks that way. We're looking at a yellow case for the S10e, and I ain't gonna lie, this looks better than the one we're getting at the S10. It has patterns on it and it's yellow. Who knew? Still, a victory for the entry level over the premium ones. I really do like how that look. So if you get any of these phones, you definitely will get a case for protect the glass back from scratches or hold it better in your hand so it don't drop out. And when something this expensive drop out of your hand, how you would feel. So there you have it, folks. A quick unboxing of the S10e and the S10. There's no S10 Plus, but roughly maybe soon, if the people them not stop buy them off like hot cakes, I'll probably have a review on that one. But there you have it, folks, the unboxing of these things, and I am sure that I'm the first person in Jamaica to actually get this done. Yeah, so meanwhile I'm putting together this video, I'm going to try and stock up my whole S7 Edge and compare the screen size to the S10e. Look at that shit. The blasted phone smaller than my S7. I have a bigger screen. Just imagine what the S10 look like. Anyway, thank you guys for supporting the channel, and thank you guys for commenting. I really do love your comments, and if it wasn't for you guys doing this, I wouldn't be able to do videos like this on a regular basis. So continue to tell your friends to subscribe and tell your friends to support the channel, and I'll continue to try not to cost myself too much money. But I real though, Dave, how much the S10e costs?
Yo, the S10e costs.
What? Alright, how much the S10 costs?
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when the sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.